Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add GitHub Bot to Discord. So guys, let's go to your Discord. Now go to the server. Now tap on server name. Tap on server settings. Tap on integrations. Now tap on create webhook. Now tap on Spidey bot. Now give your webhook name here. GitHub. Now select a channel from here. So guys, now copy webhook URL and then tap on save changes. Now go to your GitHub. Tap on your profile. Tap on repositories. Now open your repositories. Tap on settings. Tap on webhooks. Tap on add webhook. Now you have to enter your webhook password here. After entering your password, just tap on confirm. Now paste here your webhook URL and make sure to enter /GitHub to the end. Now select content type applications JSON. Now here select send me everything and make sure to enable active and then just tap on add webhook. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.